Welcome to day 3 of your 14-day meditation challenge for beginners to learn how to meditate and to learn how to make it a habit into your life. My name is Sofie, and I'm so honored to be guiding you through your journey. Today's meditation is going to be using affirmations to seep into your subconscious and help you feel good. Whenever you're ready, start to gently close your eyes, sit back or lie down into a comfortable position, and start to relax your body. Start by consciously noticing your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Noticing how your body rises on the inhale and falls on the exhale. Feeling your eyelids become heavier and heavier, making sure that your jaw isn't clenched and that your shoulders are relaxed. Relaxing all of your body in this moment. If at any point you have thoughts in your mind, just be aware of them and suddenly picture as though they're being pulled out quickly and swiftly by a sort of vacuum. Breathing in and out. Now, for this meditation, you're going to be focusing on my voice, on the words that I'm saying, and repeating the statements either in your head or out loud. Although these statements might not be true or seem to be true, with repetition and by starting to ingrain it into your subconscious, you'll start to believe it more and more. So let's get right on in. I am worthy. I am lovable. I love myself. Each day I grow. As I grow, I develop more and more love for myself. I am strong. I am confident. I can accomplish all that I want. I am resilient. I am healing. I am healthy. Abundance flows to me naturally. The more that I work on myself, the more positive things happen in my life. I am loved. I am beautiful. I am thankful for each and every day. I help those around me without even noticing. I am supported. I am worthy of great love. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of self-love. I am worthy of abundance and wealth. I am very capable. I am in flow with nature. I trust that everything in my life is happening for a higher purpose. I am loved. I am safe. I am protected. I am radiant. I am glowing. Every day as I step into my authenticity, more and more people are inspired by me. I am motivating. I am motivated. The qualities that I admire in others are the qualities that I hold as well. I am beautiful from the inside out. I am a good person. I am kind. I am able to bounce back no matter what the situation. I am strong. I am generous. People admire my generosity. I am lovable. I am valuable. I hold qualities that no one else has. They are unique to me. My uniqueness makes me one of a kind. My uniqueness makes me special. I love the qualities that make me unique. I am a gift in people's lives. I don't chase, I attract. I allow myself to receive. I am accepting of these words. I am worthy. I am peaceful. People love to be around my energy. People admire my energy. I believe in myself. I love myself. I love even the parts of myself that I deem unlovable. In my heart, I know that I am whole. I know that I am complete. I love myself. I am so thankful for myself. I am so thankful for this moment. I am so thankful to have taken this time to better my self-esteem. And slowly, whenever you're ready, start to wiggle your hands and your feet. Slowly start opening your eyes, and you can come back to this meditation whenever you feel like it. There's no limit to making yourself feel good. I'm very, very, very thankful that you've joined me here today, and I'm very excited to see you tomorrow as well. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you then. Namaste.